Our son wore this dragon shirt to the bowling alley. Red fire, blue fire. He bowled a strike, and all I saw was Tammy Solo. What's Tammy Solo? It's a tangle pattern that is full of energy, just like our sun. Let's try drawing a tile together. I'll guide you through it. This pattern is good for both beginners and experienced tanglers. To bring this vision to life, I'm using a black Zentangle tile, Sakura Gelly Roll metallic pens, and Prismacolor Premier colored pencils. The black background really makes those flame colors pop. Tammy Solo is all about movement and rhythm, perfect for that fiery inspiration. I'm starting with a swirl here. I'm starting with the red side, and then I'll draw the blue side. I'm thinking of two fire dragons clashing midair, just like on the t-shirt. Let's draw our 4 points and then create a frame. I draw a C shape curving clockwise and end the curve in a swirl. Then, without lifting my pen, I reverse my direction and draw an echo of the curve above the original swirl, and at the top of the curve, I make it peak into a point like the top of a flame. And then I come back down following the curve of the original swirl. Hope you were able to follow that. Practice drawing Tammy Solo swirls a few times. Relax as you draw it. Don't forget to breathe. And you'll see that it becomes almost automatic when you draw the next ones. With Tammy Solo, echo lines and spacing are everything. I'm letting the curves ripple outward like waves of flame. I'm switching colors here. Red metallic for one side, blue for the other. This is where the flames come alive, layering metallic shimmer with soft shadows, a contrast of warmth and cool. Layer your Prismacolors lightly, then blend for depth. The metallic ink will peek through like embers. some white pencil to add more light to the tile. When working with a black tile, think of it as adding light to your work, as opposed to adding a shadow like we would do when drawing on a light art tile. From a fun family outing to this glowing piece of art, Zentangle has a way of turning real life into a meditative and relaxing moment. Who knew a day at the bowling alley would inspire one of my favorite tiles yet? Try drawing what inspires you in real life. And if you want to learn more Zentangle, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other beginner tutorials. Feeling inspired to try Tammy Solo yourself? I've added a link above to my step-up video that breaks it down step by step. And if you love turning everyday moments into art, subscribe and keep tangling with me.
A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your Zen unfolds.